Finally, the wait for the people of Bangladesh is coming to an end. India and Bangladesh have signed a crucial deal on vaccines against COVID-19. In the first lot, India will give 1.5 crore vaccines to Bangladesh in the wake of the pandemic, especially when its second wave is looming large. The agreement is being treated as a sign of mutual cooperation and friendly relations between the two countries. Here's a report.
A tripartite MOU has been signed between the government of Bangladesh, Beximco Pharma and Serum Institute of India to buy 30 million doses of a potential coronavirus vaccine being developed by British drug maker AstraZeneca. According to Bangladesh's health minister, whenever the vaccine is ready, the Serum Institute will give Bangladesh 30 million doses in the first phase.
We will get the vaccine as soon as it is ready. We expect to get it in January or earlier. It could be a little before or a little after January. Not yet confirmed. I just gave the idea of a tentative time.
A delegation which visited Bangladesh and there was discussion between the concerned departments. This was from the 17th to the 19th of October. And in these discussions, the current stage of vaccine development in India and the modalities of clinical trials in Bangladesh were discussed.
Considering the physical proximity, historical ties and cultural similarities between India and Bangladesh, the collaboration, according to India's envoy to Bangladesh, was inevitable.
We are countries that are joined permanently through land, through water and through the movement of our people. There is no health security or epidemiological security for India without that being the case in Bangladesh. And there is no health security and epidemiological security for Bangladesh without there being the same in India. So cooperation between us, as our Prime Ministers have already said, is a critical part of what we do. And our Prime Minister said this in March this year when the pandemic broke out.
The people of Bangladesh will get the vaccine at the same price as Indians.
Actually, Beximco was appointed the exclusive distributor of Serum Institute about 6-8 weeks ago. He made that announcement. Beximco had made that announcement, and this is definitely it's a reflection of the very close relationship which we have with India.
The daily coronavirus cases showed a rising trend in the past 5 days of the ongoing 35th week of infections, with 1,675 daily cases on an average in Bangladesh. In the previous 6 weeks, the average daily cases were between 1,300 and 1,500 as the coronavirus situation had slightly improved, according to the Directorate General of Health Services. The previous daily highest cases were recorded on September 10, with 1,892 cases detected. The rising trend comes at a time when the winter is knocking at the door. At a time when the decision to allow the human trials of COVID-19 vaccine from China is currently pending in Bangladesh, this initiative comes as a huge relief for Bangladesh amid the raging global pandemic. Bureau Report, WION, World is One.